hitting that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. It helps the algorithm. I am still trying to grow my channel, and YouTube isn't doing a whole lot to promote my channel, so it's all on us. I know you can do it, and I appreciate it. Thank you. Enjoy this video. Hey everybody, this is going to be a quick video. I am fixing to go down the Cabbage Hill in Oregon. It's on Interstate 84. It's a famous mountain pass. A lot of truckers talk about it. I'm going to film my journey up and down that pass. I'm still in this Kenworth T680, which is, like I mentioned before, is an automatic. So there's a way to, shift into a manual gear in certain situations, like for mountains and things like that. So I'm going to kind of mention that as if I'm using that feature, and I may talk a little bit as we're going up or down. It's very steep grades and some sharp curves, so let's get to it. All right, here we go. Okay, so this is the feature that I'm talking about right here. You want to go into a manual mode, you just switch it to this, put your foot on the brake, and then while your foot is on the brake, if you want to downshift, you click this button right here, and then let up off the brake, and it will go one gear down. So when you're on a downgrade slope, you can control your gears like that. If you want to shift up, you shift on the upper button the same way. Put your foot on the brake, push the button, it'll shift up to the next gear. And then of course right here we have our engine brake. So we're going to be using these two things while we're going down the Cabbage Hill, and that's it for now. Okay, let's go. Okay, like I said, this is on Interstate 84 going through eastern Oregon, and this Cabbage Hill pass is between La Grande and Pendleton. It's really hazy and kind of smoggy today. I don't know what that is. The other thing that makes this pass so treacherous is adverse weather conditions. So Unbelievable. I've already shut the engine down, guys. Hello? Line broke down on Cabbage Hill. This is crazy. Got my triangles out. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. That's what we're looking at here. Truck's coming around the corner, coming down the mountain. Nice. It's crazy. My truck was going into engine shutdown mode, so I have absolutely no choice but to pull over here, put my triangles out, and get a tow truck, because I got to get off this mountain. This might actually be a really good video, because I'm sitting here watching trucks go by, and it's interesting to see the different ways that different trucks handle this hill. And I love the loud jakes, man. It's usually a Peterbilt, and it's usually a cattle truck. It just gets me right here. But some people are going too fast. You know, you can tell. Double tanker go by. He was going too fast. Some people go by and you can smell their brakes. Woo, I smelled those brakes. Yes, sir. Man, somebody's brakes are hot. You can smell it. It's crazy. This is crazy. I'm learning so much. This is really actually a good learning tool. I wouldn't recommend it to everybody, but it's interesting to observe all of this.